Now, whenever you come across overwhelm, I do urge you to go back to the technique of unpacking goals, to think of small steps that you can do. Overwhelm is usually caused by you thinking that there is just so much to do and you can't do this and you're too busy and you just have too many things on your plate. Now, the key to all of this is taking things one by one. So it is time management. It is as much different ways, as many different ways as you can find to manage your time, manage your workload, and at the same time, and this is the key, manage your expectations. So this is all about your mindset. If you feel overwhelmed, I do hope that at the moment you're feeling it, you're going to start to become more aware of what is happening, that you don't stay in the overwhelm. We do get tired, we get distracted, and that's okay. I just want you to know that that's okay. When you really feel tired, you need a couple hours break, or even a whole day, or even a whole week. If you haven't had holiday for a really long time, then a whole week of a break is not a bad thing. You do need to recharge your batteries. We all need the space. We all need a certain number of hours per day of sleep. I am a firm believer that you can catch up on your sleep. So when you have a couple of nights of not enough, then it's okay to have a nap during the day, or it's okay to sleep longer on a weekend and that your body catches up. Science agrees with that, but because that is my mindset and because that's what I believe, it works for me. I encourage you to do the same thing. Whenever you're feeling overwhelmed, find something that works for you and that you are 100% convinced that that is what works for you to minimize the impact of that overwhelm. So the whole point is, don't allow it to last for weeks or months. Make it, as soon as you're aware of it, you can do this. So make it much easier to handle. Break things into steps, break things down. If you feel very overwhelmed with work at the end of the day, distract yourself, do something else, do something productive in the house, do something with friends that will make you feel better. This is also an opportunity to basically write things down that make you feel better, but we'll get to that in another video. And in this one, I just wanted to make sure that you understand when you get overwhelmed and what to do about it. So if you can write down, for example, on a Post-it note, a couple of small things that you can do when you feel overwhelmed. So if it's house things, home stuff that or work in the house that it makes you overwhelmed, then the idea of doing something else would be either do something work related, or you can do some reading, or you can even do some learning or studying. So watch something interesting that is going to grow your skills, because that is a small step of you moving forward. I am still here with you. I hope you continue watching these videos and get more and more ideas, and your skills keep growing. And thank you for letting me be a part of it.